today I'm going to give you 11 photo shoot ideas, because if you're watching this, you probably need some photo shoot ideas, or maybe you're just watching it because you like watching my videos. I mean, either or. Okay, number one, we got a field. This one may seem really obvious, but I mean, a lot of people be taking all these basic photos out here. If you're tired of just being basic, go to a field. It's really easy. If you live like in the middle of nowhere like me, it's pretty easy. You get the best photos if you go at golden hour, which is at like 5 or 6 when the sun is going down. It's the best lighting. You can get some like natural vibe photos like these, or you can get some more like, you know, Khalid, you know, American teen vibes like these, or this one. Those are pretty cool. So the second thing we're gonna do is a church. That's pretty weird, but they actually come out really cool. Like this one I did with my sister like the past weekend, and you can get some really like, you know, cool photos from, I don't know what to say. When we went to the church, we actually didn't know if we were allowed to go, but then this dude came over like on a golf cart. We were like, oh man, he's gonna kick us out. But then he just gave us a flyer and invited us to church. Number 3, arcade. Okay, first thing about an arcade is there's hella cool lighting. You can take photos playing hockey, air hockey. You can play the games. You can take really cool photos like through the game. I don't know how to explain this, but this photo right here, you can take a photo through the game and it will be really cool reflections and stuff like that. And the fourth one, if you're like really just not feeling like going out, you can just do a photo shoot in your house. There's a lot of really cool things in your house that you can utilize. Like if you have a fridge, the background of the fridge is really freaking cool. You can use things in your house like a mirror. Take photos like on chairs in your house, or take photos of like, I took some of my sister playing pool, like this photo. Number 5 is a poster board. Go to Hobby Lobby. How much was it? Like $4. Get like $4. All I know is really cheap. Go to Hobby Lobby, get a white poster board or a black poster board, or both. I got both. Go outside where it's great lighting, put it behind you, take some photos. So that's like, what, $10 right there, and you can take some like bomb-ass photos. Do it. While I was talking about the poster board, I'm also going to talk about Hobby Lobby a little bit. So while you're at Hobby Lobby, there's a lot of cool little craft things that you can utilize in your photo shoots. For example, I got bubbles. That's just golden hour plus bubbles equal this. Also, you can get some little butterflies. Create like an ethereal fairy type photo shoot thing like these, which was really fun to do. And we did some, you know, ethereal type, fairy type makeup, and that was really fun. So these were some of the photos that came out from that. 6 is cool lighting. Okay, when you're out with your friends, or if you don't have any friends and you just want to go to at night in like a city or whatever, there's always going to be really cool lighting. So take advantage of that. 7, a playground. Yeah, a playground. You can take some of you swinging. Those come out really editorial-ish and like Teen Vogue type. And they're like action photos. They got a lot going on. 8, an abandoned building. So I know this might seem sketch, like really sketch, and I thought it was sketch too. We kind of might have had to like hop a fence, and we thought there was going to be like people living in there, but there wasn't anyone living in there that we saw. There's a lot of like wall art, graffiti that comes out pretty good as well. Number 9, an open road. Well, this one's pretty easy as well. The road signs are really cool. They look really cool in photos, and they add to like the composition of your photography. So number 10 is a tennis court. So the good thing about a tennis court is that a lot of people have them close to where you live. So we did these photo shoots on a tennis court, and what was cool about these is that we brought a ladder out and we took them from above. You could get the whole like blue or green background. Colored walls. Outside the bowling alley, there was like really cool like colored walls like this or this. So that's it for today, guys. If these photo shoot ideas helped you or inspired you, leave a comment, like it, subscribe if you haven't already, so you can see all my other videos that I have coming up. And that's it for today. Stay tuned for my next video. Easy go.